Hey, I'm Koa for the Mookini Library on the Hilo campus, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fold up this green screen. Before I do that, let me briefly sell you on it in case somehow you made it to this video without an interest in borrowing it. So this is a very handy tool in the hands of any student. Not only can you use it to create one of those virtual backgrounds for a Zoom meeting, very easy to do that. You can also use it to spice up your video presentations simply by putting yourself in front of your PowerPoint, your slideshow, whatever you have.
Picture that.
It's a simple trick, it's very easy to do, and it goes a long way as far as making your video pop. If you want a tutorial on how to do that, leave a comment and we might just have to make it for you. Now onto folding it. This thing is huge and awkward. It's like one of those car shades, but twice my size.
Okay, wait, I just made a mistake that I think is pretty important to point out. You see that? Yeah, you really don't want to do that. Putting pressure directly on the screen may cause it to stretch and wrinkle, and it may end up messing with the look of your final product. So keep your hands off, keep pressure off of it, just leave it alone and it'll last a long time. Okay, on the folding.
So it is a very intimidating thing to fold, but once you know the technique, it's really no problem. You're going to want to hold it on either end like this, point it away from yourself with the end, with the bottom planted on the floor, sort of making a house shape. And then with your grips, just push the top forward. It's almost like you're folding a really stiff blanket in half, but you don't want to fold it all the way down in half. You want to keep this front hovering. It looks kind of like a fortune cookie here. And then what you're going to want to do is reverse one of your grips, twist that grip inward, and let the whole thing just kind of fall onto itself. Easy as that. Tap it up, make sure it's nice and round, and then quickly shove it in the bag so that you don't lose your progress. That's it, really. Have fun. Bye.